Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial video. Here today we are going to simplify two different difference quotients. Okay, um, so our function f of x equals 3x squared plus 5x plus 3 is given to us, and during the first part of this video I'm going to simplify the first difference quotient, which is f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Okay, and during the second part of this video I'm going to work on f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. That is another version of a difference quotient. So for now, for the sake of simplicity, just remove the second part. So we're working on this. Difference quotient now. Okay. So, and it's very easy to start working on the difference quotient if you know what you have on hand. So you have f of x here, so you know what f of x is when you're working with the difference quotient. This is the f of x. Okay. And if you want to write your f of x plus h somewhere, it is very helpful. So let me see what is my f of x plus h, and then I can plug in the numbers into this formula. Okay, so f of x plus h, simply wherever you see x in the f of x, okay, like here and here, just substitute them with x plus h. Okay, that's as easy as a piece of cake. So f of x plus h is 3 times x plus h squared plus 5x plus, plus, just substitute x with x plus h, 5x plus h plus 3. Okay, let's simplify it. So f of x plus h is 3 times, okay, so if you FOIL x plus h to the power of 2, you get, let's see what we get. X plus h times x plus h, we get x squared plus xh plus xh plus h squared, which is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Okay, so x squared plus h squared plus 2xh, right? And then plus 5x plus 5h plus 3. So we can simplify this like f of x plus h equals 3x to the power of 2 plus 3h to the power of 2 plus 6hx plus 5x plus 5h plus 3. Okay, and now we can plug in f of x plus h and f of x into the difference quotient formula. Okay, so f of x plus h is simply this. Okay, so just put it there. On top, we write, let me just put it here. For the sake of simplicity, let me just, because I don't have enough space, so let me just use whatever I have here on hand. So just this minus my f of x, which is, always put your f of x in the parentheses because you don't want to mess with sign. So minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 3. Okay, now you can go ahead and remove the parentheses and change the signs. Okay, very good. Now you can easily cancel negative 3 and positive 3. and 3x squared and negative 3x squared and positive 5x and negative 5x, and you'll end up with 3h squared. Oh, I forgot to put because this is the numerator. Okay, so your denominator in the difference quotient is h. So now in the new numerator you have 3h squared plus 6hx plus 5h over h, and you can get rid of h in the denominator just by factoring 3 h's from the top. Okay, so h is factored out here in the numerator, so you have h times 3h plus 6x plus 5 all over h. So these two h's also canceled, and you end up with the difference quotient as 3h plus 6x plus 5. And for the sake of calculus consistency, we'll write it as 6x plus 3h plus 5. Okay, so that's the first part of this video. Now let me go to another page and write our original function f of x, 3x to the power of 2 plus 5x plus 3. Now we want to simplify a different difference quotient, which is f of x minus f of a all over x minus a. Okay, so again, okay, so this is my f of x. What is my f of a? My f of a is just simply substitute x wherever you see x, just substitute it with a. So this is 3a squared plus 5a plus 3, right? So I can plug in what I have here on hand into this formula. Let's start. So 3x squared plus 5x plus 3 is my f of x, and then minus, just put your f of a in the parentheses, minus 3a squared plus 5a plus 3 in the parentheses all over x minus a. Okay, so now you can go ahead and distribute the sign, okay, into the parentheses. So open this parentheses. So change the sign here. So here, oops, it's going to be negative 5a. Here is going to be negative 3. I'm removing the parentheses for you, okay? So now I can go ahead and cancel negative 3 and positive 3. And let's see what other thing I can cancel out. Yeah, there's nothing more that I can cancel out here. So let's continue rewriting our new fraction as 3x squared plus 5x minus 3a squared over x minus a. Okay, so now I can okay, so 3x squared plus 5x minus 3a squared minus 5a. So let's write it this way. Let's write it as a 3x squared minus 3a squared plus 5x minus 5a over x minus a. So now I can take out negative 3 out. I'm sorry, I can take out a positive 3 out. Let me write it here so I can take out a positive 3 out here. So 3 times x squared minus a squared is something here, and then here I can take out 5 out, so it's 5 times x minus a all over x minus a, and this x squared minus a squared here, see that? Oops. This is actually the same as x minus a times x plus a. Okay, so I can rewrite this as 3 times x minus a times x plus a plus 5 times x minus a, okay, all over x minus a, and then I can simplify this and this and this and this, and then simplify, just distribute whatever I have on top, which is 3x plus 3a plus 5. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video if you like it. And ask any questions. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and put your question as a comment in on the bottom of this video. Okay, thank you for watching.